Lennox Castle. I thought we'd have a wee explore today. I've been out for a long time, so I've not. The last time I was here was when my daughter was about 2 months old, and I didn't really have a proper explore. So I'm going in now. It's very slippy, so bear with me while I go up. I'll tell you what, I'm so unfit, but this is stunning, eh? It's worth it. We'll go a wee walk. Last time I came here, I didn't realise there was stairs. I missed so much. These stairs. I think I'd seen them, but I didn't find the way to get them because I was sort of in a rush. But stunning. Very slidey. Oh. There's actually a lot more people just turned up, like a crowd. So, now these are the dodgy steps, allegedly, and yes they are. Very dodgy, but you get what I'm like. You've got to have a look up the steps. They're quite thin. The old stairs. Not a fucking step there. There's not much of them here. There's so much weight on these stairs. Look how thick. Go for it. I'll not be doing anything risky because it's slippy. Very slidey. Some drop. Have a 9 at the top. Whoa, my foot just went there. A wee bit cross-legged there. Some building. Still high. This is as high as I'm going. I'm not going up that bit. It's far too slidey. Some drop. Just making it right back down. A lot of people going up. Some overhang that.
Ben! Yo! You're a fag! I'm coming from, wait, what?
Right, we'll go out this way. I don't think I'll be taking these stairs. Nope. Oh, I should have tripped over the fucking wire. Oh, the wire. Oh, a bit dodgy that. Everybody's lost the drone. Oh. God, that looks like somebody's left the light on. It's the natural light coming in. Oh. It's very steep at parts, like, and slippy. So we'll just try our best. I'll get up this bit. That's a steep part. They're sketchy. Surprised they've not fell yet. Oh, a wee bit overgrown. It's very slidey. Hey. I'm surprised there was no snow through here. Very surprised. The river's frozen. Well, parts of it, but that's about it. A bit of frost. As you can see, not much. Alright, I think I'll need to work my way over there. I'll go see. I'll probably cut a lot of this out because I don't actually care what way I'm going. I'm trying to angle it. Oh, that doesn't even go anywhere. Oh, that just goes to there. So high. I think I'll need to go out the way and then back in. I'll have a look. We're back outside. Some size of building, like he's happy. He looks well happy. Beautiful building, what's left of it anyway. But I'll take a wee walk around and see what we can find. Big holes fucking in the ground. I need to watch where you're walking. I'll go around a bit. I feel like I'm just getting in the same bit. Now, how stunning is that? I keep hearing helicopters, but there's no flight restrictions, so hopefully I'll still be able to fly the drone. Kind of just all caving in. Quite bad. Okay. I thought it was going to be really quiet here because it's so cold. Plus I thought it was going to snow. Right, I'll walk back round the way. Question for you. Is this brave or stupid? I don't know if it's full of water. I can't see, I need to get the torch out. But that's a secret passage and a half, eh? Well, good secret passage.
Nah, it's going. I'm going as well.
This is your brother, fam. Nah, wait, don't start it now. Wait till he's back up.
Nice knowing you, Hamish, bro.
Oh, you're a fucker.
See you never. Do you want a torch?
Ah, your sound. That looks solid.
Yeah.
Get them down in the basement.
Fucking hands are nanging now. Tell me what's in there.
Use that torch, someone.
Here, you can pass someone.
Yeah, pass yours.
No!
That's what you get for wearing a light on face, like I can't lie to me.
What are you up to, mate?
Oh yeah, fucker, it goes right back here. Like, it gets open a bit.
Don't wear a white jacket to exploring places, isn't it?
Mate, nobody told
Where are
me
they
that
now?
anyone would be going here. That's why I didn't want to go. Because I knew this was going to happen.
We got a fucking torch. Video.
But that's what it
What's it like, Eamon?
It's mental, like.
is. It big?
Aye.
I'm jumping too. Oh, he's on the ground and he's fucking sound.
Like, you put it this way, this is me standing on the ground. Like, I'm stood on the...
It's bogging, but fuck it. Wrong footwear.
It goes right round, like.
Yeah.
That's just definitely like shite or something, yeah.
It'll be all the water and fucking everything that's came down. They didn't look very safe to hold us up, eh? I says these scarfies poles, man.
I can't really look safe at all.
Whoa, some echo, eh?
Oh yeah, fuck how size that spider. Ew, I hate spiders, like. Cause there's like a few of them, like.
Oh, you fucker.
They're massive. Oh, fucker. Get me the fuck away from them. Oh, look at that, it's a fucking nest. Come, there's about 5 of them, get me away. Oh my god, get me away.
I'm getting you, there's about 10 of them, mate.
What is that? What the fuck is that? Ew, there's fucking hundreds of them.
Can't go any further anyway, lads.
Mate, there's so many spiders. Ah! Oh my god. Mate,
Whoa, that was my fucking head. Whoa!
Come walk all the way through, eh? Good, well.
Tell you what, there's no many footsteps down here, like footprints down here.
Oh, okay.
Not much fucking space. Whoa!
Oh my god, this is fucking nice. Oh man, it's fucking yeah, just get really wet. Yeah.
Every fucking light that's on the roof, I keep banging my head.
Well, that's not remember that, that's water. Oh, what the fuck? That's just deep water. There's an entrance up there, but...
It's just deep water all in it. Ah, fuck it.
Oh my, I'm stuck. Yeah, this is empty, eh?
Oh, fuck. Did you hear that rumble? That was my fucking head. Oh, what the fuck, man? Every light. Oh, yeah, fucker. Aye. Ah. What's your heat, boys? That's the way I came out.